Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class of standard 7. When we think of mathematics, the first word that comes to our mind is numbers. Numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. These are called natural numbers or counting numbers. When we include 0 with this, these are called whole numbers. And these positive numbers 0 with the negative numbers are called integers. This becomes integers. And a part of whole is called fraction. And these whole numbers, integers, fractions may commonly called as rational numbers. And our topic today's topic is rational numbers. We'll learn about what is rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of A by B, where B is not equal to 0. Rational numbers are those numbers that can be written in the form A by B, where B is not equal to 0. So, rational numbers are integers and fractions that can be written in this form. And when we think of integers, that is whole numbers and the negative numbers. The whole numbers are positive numbers and 0. So, rational numbers are integers, fractions. Integers are, we can consider whole numbers with negative numbers, then positive numbers, and 0 makes the whole numbers. So, rational numbers can be written in 4 different forms. That is A by B, minus A by minus B, minus A by B, and A by minus B. This A minus A by minus B is same as A by B, because we know that when the same sign is there in the numerator and denominator, that can be cancelled and it is written as A by B. A by minus B is same as minus A by B. So from this we get the conclusion that A by B and minus A by B, in these two forms rational numbers can be written. That is positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. A by B is called positive rational numbers and minus A by B is called negative rational numbers. So, when we write the integers in rational number form, integers means positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. So, when we take the positive number, written in the rational form will be 2 by 1, 0 will be written as 0 by 1, minus 2 will be written as minus 2 by 1. This is the rational form of the integers. So, rational numbers are always written in the reduced form or the simplest form. When we write this 5 by 10 as 1 by 2, this is the rational form, that is reduced form. When we write 15 by 20, we cannot write like this. We have to write the reduced form mod. Give it, that is 3 by 4. So, now we'll represent the rational numbers in the number line. So draw a line, take 0 in the middle. Right side of 0, the positive numbers, left side of 0 is taken the negative numbers. As you write down the integers, successive integers will be written in an equal interval of the line, in the number line. So see that there will be equal interval. Same way in the negative side also, in equal interval write the successive integers, so that you will see that the distance between the negative number to 0 and the same positive number to 0 will be same. Means minus 2 to 0 is same as 0 to 2. The distance minus 2 to 0 and 0 to 2 is equidistant. Next thing, how to mark the rational number in the number line. When we consider this 0 to 1, we divide into 3 parts. So the first part is 1 by 3. We have divided into 3 parts, and from that the first part we have marked. So that will be 1 by 3, and the second one will be 2 by 3. The second one, 3 parts it is divided, and the second one we have marked, that is 2 by 3. If we take another one rational number, that is 3 by 2. How to mark that? 3 by 2 means 1 by 2. This is the improper form and this is the mixed form. So here we have the whole number part. Whole number is 1, and after that half. From 1 to 2 divided into 2 parts, then this will be 1 by 2, or you can write 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2, positive rational number. So how you will mark minus 3 by 2? Because we know that this in the number line, the positive rational number is equidistant from 0. And the negative rational number is also the same equidistant from the 0. So you can take from minus 1 to minus 2, this will be minus 3 by 2. So keeping all these points in our mind, we can start the exercise. All of you take out your book, lesson number 3, page number 27. Exercise 3.1. First question is, which of the following are rational numbers? 2, 3 by 1, 5 by 0, minus 7 by 1, minus 5 by 1, 0 by 3, minus 5 by minus 1, 0 by 0, 0 by 7 and 4 by minus 1. Which of the following are rational numbers? We know that rational numbers can be written in the form of a by b, and where b is not equal to 0. Considering that definition, 5 by 0 is not a rational number and 0 by 0 is not a rational number. Rest all are rational numbers. Second number, 8 by. Question is, write down the following rational numbers as integers. So 8 by 1, 9 by 1, 11 by minus 11 by 1, 4 by minus 1, minus 5 by 1. So as integers, how you write? 8 by 1 means 8, 9 by 1 means 9, minus 11 by 1 means minus 11, and 4 by minus 1. 4 by minus 1. I told you a point that a by minus b is same as minus a by b. Do you remember or not? So keeping this in mind, you can write it as minus 4 and next one is minus 5. Then third number. Third number, do both minus 3 by 4 and 3 by minus 4 are same negative rational numbers. Already we have discussed minus a by b is same as minus a by minus b. Both are same. So a by minus b means minus a by b. So 3 by minus 4 means minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 both are same. So minus 3 by 4 and 3 by minus 4 are negative same rational numbers. Negative numbers that are same. Which of the following rational numbers are positive? Fourth number, 3 by 7 minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by minus 9 minus 5 by minus 3 minus 3 by 61 minus 7 by minus 13 minus 9 by 15. Which are the positive rational numbers? This is a positive rational number, this is negative. Minus 5 by minus 9. Both the numerator and denominator having the same sign. So this can be written as 5 by 9. Minus 5 by minus 3. This also can be written as 5 by 3. And this is a negative rational number. So this one, same sign, numerator and denominator, this can be written as 7 by 13. So what are the positive rational numbers we got? 3 by 7, 5 by 9, 5 by 3, 7 by 13 are positive rational numbers. Write the following integers as rational numbers. That is the fifth question. That is easy. Only you have to write 1 in the denominator. 2, minus 3, 6, 7, minus 8, minus 29 and 0. So we have to write down it as rational numbers. Already I have discussed the integers, how to write it rational number form. 2 by 1, minus 3 by 1, 6 by 1, 7 by 1, minus 8 by 1, minus 29 by 1 and 0 by 1. This is very simple. Only the integers can be written in the rational form by putting 1 in the denominator. Sixth one is very important. All of you concentrate and see. Sixth number. AB. What rational number is represented by the point A? You have to write down the point A represents what rational number. So this 0 is represented as O and X is represented as 1 and it is divided into two equal parts. And A, you have to write down A is what rational number. From 0 to 1 it is divided into 3 parts. So A will be 1 by 3. That is the rational number A represents. B. This 0 represents O and M represents minus 3. And this thing that I told you, the numbers which are left to the 0 are negative numbers. So you will get a negative number surely. And from O to M it is divided into two parts. In the first one is 0 and minus 3. So here you will write minus 1 and minus 2. A you have to find out, it is asked. A is minus 1. You can write in rational number if it is asked, then you can write minus 1 by 1. Minus 1 by 1. C. O and B. O is 0 and B is 7. It is divided into again two equal parts. So 0 to 7 it is divided into 3 parts. So 7 by 3. It is asked A is what? A represents what rational number? A represents 7 by 3. D. O represents 0 and O to Z is equal to 1. O to Z is equal to 1. This B is a point in the right side and A is the point equidistant from 0, that is A, and 4 is equal to 4 by 5. This is positive side, right side, and this is, as it is negative side and equidistant from 0, it can be written as minus 4 by 5. Thank you.